Have you ever felt like there's an invisible thread tying certain aspects of your life together? Something that goes beyond just your sun, moon, and rising sign? You're not imagining it. Astrology is filled with hidden layers, and today we're diving into one of its best kept secrets, midpoints. Midpoints act like energetic hotspots in your birth chart, where two planetary forces merge to create a whole new influence. Think of it like mixing two colors, blue and red give you purple, a completely new shade with its own identity. In astrology, the same principle applies. When two planets meet at their exact middle point, they create a third energy that can reveal profound insights about your life. So what exactly is a midpoint? It's the mathematical halfway mark between two planets in your birth chart. While aspects like conjunctions and squares show how planets interact, midpoints reveal where that interaction is strongest. Let's say your sun represents your core identity and your moon reflects your emotions. The midpoint between them is where your conscious self and subconscious meet, an indicator of your true inner balance. And if a planet happens to sit at that midpoint, it acts as an amplifier, adding another layer to the meaning. Midpoints equals secret energy points in your chart. You might be wondering, okay, but why should I care about midpoints? Well, these points give us clues about major life themes, hidden talents, and even relationship dynamics. In fact, some astrologers say midpoints are the real key to accurate chart interpretation, especially in predictive astrology. For example, many great minds and artists have Mercury-Venus midpoints, activated symbolizing an effortless flow between intellect and creativity. Important midpoints in your chart. Here are some of the most important midpoints to check in your chart. Sun-Moon midpoint. Your inner harmony and relationship needs. Venus-Mars midpoint, your passion and romantic chemistry. Mercury-Uranus midpoint, genius level insights and innovation. Jupiter-Pluto midpoint, where your greatest success potential lies. The easiest way to find your midpoints is by using astrology software or online midpoint calculators. But once you find them, interpreting them requires understanding how the planets involved blend their energy, how midpoints influence relationships. Midpoints aren't just about you, they play a huge role in relationships too. In synastry, when someone's planet lands on your midpoint, it activates that energy in a major way. If their Mars is on your Venus-Mars midpoint, expect fireworks. If their Saturn sits on your Sun-Moon midpoint, that could be a serious karmic connection. Some of the most powerful soulmate connections show strong midpoint contacts. It's one of the biggest things professional astrologers look at when analyzing compatibility. Midpoints might not be as well known as aspects or houses, but they are one of astrology's most powerful tools. They reveal the deeper, often hidden forces shaping your life. If you've been searching for answers beyond the basics, midpoints could be the missing piece you've been looking for. If you found this interesting, hit like and subscribe for more deep dive astrology content. And let me know in the comments, have you ever looked at your midpoints? What did you discover?